Bro, who knew? This is how to get Delta Executor, guys, for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got it right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download. All right, so as you can see, this is the full Delta Executor. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So as you can see, we have all the settings. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So all we need to do is go to the browser and just type in tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in, and then just type like Delta and then just press on it. So before it downloads, there will be a verification. So you just want to like download some apps, you know. It's completely free, guys. It's from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load up. So let's just give it a second. All right, so it's loading right now. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load. All right, here we go. So let's just see if this works or not. So now, as you can see, it says missing files. So I just need to download some of these. So we got like Travel Town. This one says download and reach level 10. So I just gotta play through this till I'm level 10. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these and you're gonna be all set, guys. So that's how to get it for your device. So this is super wild. So yeah, try it out. So I hope you enjoyed it, but yeah, I haven't had any problems. So yeah, if you want to get the Delta Executor on your phone, guys, that is the new method. So this is super wild, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's no jailbreak or computer needed. So peace out, my gang gang.